Hello everyone, I am Abhishek and today we are going to solve a very simple problem, that is Tribonacci number, and this is like kind of same as a Fibonacci number. So many of you would have done the Fibonacci number, and in Fibonacci we take care with two numbers like 0 and 1, but here we take care with 0 1 1, three numbers. So Tribonacci of a number, it is given like if t0 is there, then this is 0, and for 1 it will be 1, and for 2 it will be 1, and for 3 it will be the summation of the last three digit. Like for 3 it will be 0 1 and 2 plus, and for 4 it will be the summation of the last four digit, like that. So let's solve our Fibonacci number, a Tribonacci number. So in the Tribonacci number, one way we can do is with we can do one way with the DP solution, dynamic programming with this recursion thing. So why not only recursion? Okay, many of you might have some question. Okay, let's first solve it like with recursive approach, and then I will tell you why DP approach is needed. So in the recursive approach, let me first make one helper function as usual. I will pass there n, and we just need to return the helper from that. And then here helper int n, then here I will have my function as Tribonacci, sorry, not Tribonacci, helper of n minus 1, then I will have the helper of n minus 2, then I will have the helper of n minus 3, and this will give me the answer from the last three digit. It will take the answer from last three digit, and we will have two if condition. For n equal to 0, we need to return 0, and for n equal to 1 or n equal to 2, we need to return 1. So this is the recursive solution for the Tribonacci. But why this will not work? This will give us the TLE, as because like we have the constraint till like n is 37, n can be 37. So here exponential solution won't work. Here the time complexity will be 3 to the power of n, because in a single function call we are calling three functions, so the time complexity will be 3 to the power of n. So this we can minimize. The time complexity can be lowered by using a DP. So in the DP what we will do, I will show you in here. We will just create one DP with size n, and I will give all the initialize the DP with -1, then I will pass the DP, and here I will pass the DP as a reference. After that, what I will do is I will just have one condition here, that whatever n I have got, if I have already calculated it, then I will return it from here itself. Well, else if I haven't calculated my n, then whenever the answer will be returned previous to that, I will just assign my DP with that value, so that we are not calculating the same thing repeatedly. So if for some value n, the process is done and we have calculated the Tribonacci, then we will just add that number to the DP. We are not going to calculate that again. Okay, then we now can run, and now we will have our solution. One second, what's DP of n? So DP of 0 and 1 and 2 will be 1. Okay, here I have given one extra space, that's why the issue was coming and nothing else. So here we will have our time complexity as O of n. Again n minus 1 helper n minus 1 plus this. Okay, I need to pass the dp over here. And that's it. Now our time complexity will be O of n, but here it is given n. Okay, n plus 1. We need to make a size of n plus 1 because dp of n, like for if I make only n, then it will be the vector will be till n minus 1. So we are calculating for n, so we require n plus 1, so that vector has a dp of n in it, and then we can submit it and we will have our answer. And one more way we can do is through tabulation. So through tabulation, how we can do it? So we just need the vector. We just need our vector of like the same the dp we have made earlier. With I will initialize it with 0, and for dp of 0 means this t of 0 will be 0, and for dp of 1 and dp of 2 I am going to assign it 1. So we have initialized our preconditions, and after that from I equal to for 0 1 and 2 I have calculated. So from 3 I will start to I is less than equal to n I plus plus. Here dp of I will be dp of I minus 1 plus dp of I minus 2 plus dp of I minus 3, and at the end we will have our answer at dp of n. So we just need to return here dp of n. So this will be also in of time complexity O of n, and space complexity also O of n, and it will give our answer. But here, okay, instead of plus I made it equal to, that's why. Now also we have this. We should have our preconditions here. If n equal to 0, we need to return 0. If n equal to 1 or n equal to 2, we need to return 2, return 1. This brings to the end of our solution. So I've showed you both recursive with memoization and tabulation approach for solving the Tribonacci. Thanks for watching.